Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you Mishimoto's 11-piece trim removal toolkit. This is the 11-piece trim removal kit from Mishimoto, and this is a super nice little kit. Comes in its own carry case, and it's got several different pieces of trim removal tools, and they're all plastic, so they're not going to mar up your trim. When you're popping off door panels or doing any kind of work inside of your vehicle that you just don't want to scratch anything up. And you know, this kit is lifetime warranty from Mishimoto, and even if you've got another kit, this is a really nice secondary kit for you to have to throw in a toolbox or your home tools for you guys that have got a tool kit maybe at work and you know, looking to build a second tool kit at home. So really nice stuff. Pretty much covers all the different pins and trim levels that you'll be looking at, and I don't think you're going to want for any other tools that aren't inside this kit. So definitely check it out. Again, from Mishimoto, lifetime warranty, comes in its own tool pouch, and really nice 11-piece trim removal kit. Thanks for watching.